1 minute Lekuvit Shabbos Lachmi. A couple of months ago, I was in Yisrael at the height of the war that's going on in Gaza. And I was there for a couple of days, every single day meeting with the same person, business meetings for hours. And I see that this guy never goes on the news checking what's going on, what's news, never. And one day I'm asking him, I'm just curious, I'm sitting with you a couple of days, are you never going to check what's news? And he told me something fascinating. If you are sitting down and reading a novel, and somebody would come and tell you, excuse me, let me just tell you the end of the story. You don't have to read the whole thing. What do you tell them? No. Why? Because once you know the end of the story, all of the middle stuff is not interesting. The whole point of a novel is you don't know what the end of the story is. So it says, I already know the end of the story. The end of the story is, V'oyu Hashem lemelech al kol, it's going to be the Geula. So all these things in the middle, stalling election, this guy, that guy, bombed, not interesting. Mashiach is going to come, get in the shop.